Un, dos, y un, dos, tres, y... Bueno, sí.
Sheesh. Traffic is heavy, man. It's all good, though. We are not gonna stay in the traffic, people. Oh man, it looks like the rain is coming. I'm gonna have to beat it. So Ducati's doing this thing almost like Ferrari. If you don't have a track record of buying their bikes or a repertoire of their bikes, you can't order these special edition Lambo versions. So very, very interesting setup here. We're gonna cut up real quick to Harlem because the rain is coming. I'm going to see if we could beat the rain at least. Keep that low for now. Can't dilly-dally, man. The rain's coming. And I need gas. The thing that's really dope about that bike, in my opinion, that rear wheel, the wheel setup they created, that's very unique to the bike. I think that's cool for the amount of money you're paying. I think it should be a lot more customized. You know, not just the same engine as, I guess the power plant could be the same, which is fine. So what I think for the price you're paying, the bike should be way more customized, the wheels should be better. I definitely gotta clutch up on second. Damn, I didn't think the West Side Highway was gonna be like this, but it's all good though. Question is, how far up is it like this? I think it'll still be better than locally though. Sheesh. Traffic is heavy, man. It's all good though. We are not gonna stay in the traffic, people. I'm sure the traffic subsides somewhere at some point. I'm sure after we pass like 59th Street we'll be open.